Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to print multiple packing slips at once on eBay. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have multiple orders on eBay and you want to go ahead and print multiple packing slips at once. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But what you're first going to do is that you want to click on Sell on the upper right-hand corner. Next, you want to click on All Orders. And then what you're going to do is that you're going to go ahead and select multiple orders by clicking on this checkbox. Then click on the drop-down menu for shipping, and then click on Print Packing Slip and More. Now, once you've done so, you can print a variety of different types of documents to print all at once. But all you've got to do is select Packing Slip and then click on Print. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and print multiple packing slips at once on eBay. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.